Karamihan sa mga freelancers ay nahihirapan kung paano makakuha ng clients. Paano nga ba? Isa sa mga effective na gawin ay ang paggawa ng portfolio, whether it is online or in PDF. Hi, my name is Emma and a certified happy freelancer. I started as a virtual assistant and as a social media manager. I am a mother and a wife. Believe it or not, kumikita ako kahit nasa bahay lang. So if you want to know more about freelancing at paano kumita online, well, you're in the right channel. Last time, pinag-usapan natin kung paano ako nagsimula bilang isang freelancer. I also introduced to you the simple guide to freelancing for beginners. So when I started freelancing, I was kinda all over the place. I have seen a lot of videos online about freelancing na nakakaengganyo, but there were only a few who taught me how to start. So I made this channel to teach you how to start freelancing para lang mas mapadali sa mga taong gustong malaman how freelancing works. Today, we are going to talk about how to build a portfolio. Ano nga ba ang portfolio? A portfolio is a set of pictures, graphics, or examples of your work which you can use for applying for work or sa paghahanap ng clients. Here is an example of my old portfolio when I started freelancing. Noong nagsisimula ako, wala pa din ako masyadong alam about graphic designing. So my portfolio was kind of plain. All of the works that I did are here, and I also explained who am I and what I do. Para mas effective ang iyong portfolio, you might as well put some of your work results sa iyong portfolio. Anong results naman yung pinagsasabi mo, Emma? If you're a social media manager, you can put some of your results in Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, depende sa ginagamit mong platform. Results from your previous clients like this. In this way, the prospect will see how good you are and what are the things that you have done before. Ang tanong, paano nga ba gumawa ng portfolio? Una sa lahat, kailangan magaling ka sa pag-imagine. Yes, mag-imagine. You have to be creative para unang tingin pa lang ng prospect, uy, gusto ko to. Pangalawa, you need to choose the brand colors that you want and you feel na it represents you as an expert on your field or the niche that you want to enter. Kung food industry, nasa red, yellow, or orange ang color. Kung nahirapan ka, you can check this on the internet. Like, for example, itong site na to. It's a palette generator by Canva, and this is one of the best features that I love about Canva kasi may mga palettes sila where you can choose from and use it for your business. Sa totoo lang, isa sa mga favorite ko na tools talaga to make portfolio ay ang Canva, even sa paggawa ng mga graphics ko. Now, I am going to show you how to make a portfolio using Canva. So this is my Canva. We can start making portfolio from scratch, or if you're a beginner, we can just get a template from Canva and just design it the way we want it to be. Here are sample templates. Ang daming mga templates that you can choose from. It is already in order, but you can still arrange it depende sa'yo. You can just delete some of the unnecessary slides, and we just want to make our portfolio to be very simple and straight to the point. We also need to finalize our contents and the sequence of our portfolio, meaning kung sinong mauuna at mahuli. So maraming nagtatanong sa akin, paano yan? Wala pa akong mga work na nagawa ko before kasi beginner pa ako at walang experience. If you don't have any experiences yet, you can ask your friends who have businesses and offer your service for free sa kanila in exchange for a testimonial. Paalam ka lang na ilalagay mo yung brand nila sa iyong portfolio because some brands wouldn't want that, especially if you signed a contract that you cannot use any of their creatives even if ikaw ang gumawa because they own it. Paano naman pag wala kang friends na may mga businesses? Well, good news, you can still do this. Kailangan mo lang talaga ay meron kang chosen industry na gusto mong pagsilbihan. Halimbawa, mga business owners na ang product nila ay skincare. So kung sila ang target mo, all you need to do is to create graphics or short videos about skincare and mag-research ka kung ano yung mga problems sa industry na yon and find a solution. So, mag-example tayo. First, we go to Google and see some problems there and solution. Marami ang pwedeng makita na pwede mo maging contents. You can also check other leading brands sa skincare industry and see how they make their graphics para may idea ka. You can also check Pinterest for ideas. Minsan, pag nauubos na ang creative juices ko, Pinterest is my best best friend. So once you have that, gagawa ka na ng contents about it and make the graphics. Then, you put it sa portfolio mo. Since may industry ka na target, you don't need to put mga real estate o kaya food graphics sa portfolio mo. Just make anything about skincare. Dito pa lang, di ka na mahihirapan sa paghahanap ng clients kasi naka-niche down ka na. Agad-agad. Another tip to this, you keep all the graphics that you made kasi magagamit naman ito sa pag-optimize mo ng profile mo, which I will discuss sa next video natin. Pag naayos mo na to, you can now make the call to action on your portfolio para alam ni prospect kung saan kay ko-contact if gusto niya ang service mo. Mas maganda if naka-hyperlink yung mga social media platforms mo sa portfolio mo. Social media platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook page, and etc. This way, mas mabilis ka makontak ni prospect. If you also have a booking page, mas okay yun para mas professional. I will teach you on the next videos to come. Next na pag-uusapan naman natin is how to optimize your social media platforms. Hindi pwede na naka-hyperlink ka tapos wala naman nakapost sa LinkedIn mo o kaya sa Instagram man lang. How can the prospect appreciate your work pag ganun? Sa panahon ngayon, yung social media platforms natin ay nagiging parang resume na siya. Nagiging basis na ito ng mga prospects to see us, lalo na if you want to get clients abroad. Sometimes people trust us with what we post or how we represent ourselves on social media. So kailangan before mo i-hyperlink ang iyong social media platform sa iyong portfolio, nakaayos na yun. So in my next video again, yun ang pag-uusapan natin, how to optimize your social media platforms para mas madali makakuha ng clients. Also, para naman sa Canva, kailangan naka-pro version ka. Magkano lang naman ang monthly or yearly fee ni Canva? Huwag kang bumili sa mga mura like 40 pesos, yung mga scam kasi pwedeng mawala ang designs mo. What you can do is to find mga kahati mo sa pagbayad para mas makamura ka. Like me, 5 kami sa Canva team ko. So, nasa 400 to 500 plus lang ang bayad namin each instead of 2,000 plus per year. So, good for 1 year na yun siya. Mura, diba? I just don't know kung magkano na yung Canva ngayon. Anyway, if gusto mo naman ng high-end portfolio, you can also make one using a free website, which gagawan din natin ng video soon. Kaya subscribe ka na. Recap natin ang mga na-discuss natin. Number 1, what is portfolio? Portfolio is a set of pictures, graphics, or examples of your work which you can use for applying for work or sa paghahanap ng clients. Number 2, portfolio contents. Works or graphics from previous clients, and if wala ka pa nito, you can create graphics from scratch na related sa chosen industry mo or get your friends to hire you for free para may mapakita ka sa portfolio mo. You can also put your social media analytic results if meron sa portfolio mo. Number 3, call to action. Dapat naka-hyperlink ang social media accounts mo sa portfolio mo for easier contact ni prospect at naka-optimize ang mga social media accounts mo, which is pag-uusapan natin sa next video natin. So that's it. That's how you can make a very simple portfolio for your freelancing business. Comment down if you have any questions. Watch out for more educational and tutorial videos about freelancing. And make sure to subscribe to my channel para sama-sama tayo kumita at magka-income sa pagiging freelancer. At kung talagang desidido ka na magsimula sa freelancing business mo, check out my store on the description below if you want to get templates like social media content calendar, contract, ebooks, presets na magagamit mo sa freelancing business mo. Ayun! Bye and thank you for watching!